Food prep can be an aggravating and time-consuming barrier that can make the thought of cooking at home simply overwhelming. Luckily, this Ninja Professional food processor is an all-in-one kitchen appliance and has versatile functionality and this large 9-cup capacity that can help you complete your food prep in one batch. The innovative preset programs and the dedicated attachments help provide superior chopping and mixing, ultimately so that your food prep can be easier and you can spend less time in the kitchen and more time eating. Powered by the 1000 peak watt motor, you can effortlessly tackle the toughest jobs and the hardest ingredients. It's never been easier to chop vegetables, shred cheese, make smooth sauces, and cookie dough from scratch, all at the touch of one button. I can tell that this product has a lot of functionality and the versatility to make a ton of different types of meals. And I love that it comes with this recipe book with so many ideas to get my creative juices flowing. But today, I think I'm in the mood for some pizza. So let's get started by making some homemade pizza dough. Okay, first let's get everything assembled. We're gonna put our bowl onto our base and lock it into place. For the dough, we're gonna be using this dough blade. We'll pop the lid off really quick so we can get this blade in. I've already got my ingredients measured out, so we're just gonna start putting them into the bowl. Get our olive oil in here, some salt, and our flour. Oh, this is gonna be so good. I love the smell of fresh dough. Okay, that was easy. Now we just gotta put the lid on. That only took a couple minutes to assemble, and now all the ingredients are gonna be mixed together with the touch of one button. Lock that in, and I'm gonna press dough. Woo! Oh my goodness. Wow, that was awesome. That took less than a minute. This large bowl can evenly process up to 9 cups of ingredients and 2 pounds of dough in as little as 30 seconds. That capacity plus the professional performance means that you're getting your food prep done right the first time and in one batch. All right, we're gonna let this dough sit. While this is resting, let's check out some of the other functions. The chopping blade is designed to uniformly cut veggies or blend ingredients into smooth sauces or purees. I can tell just by looking at these 4 sharp stainless steel blades that this is gonna make my food prep fast. There's a preset program on here called Chop, so I can just throw in some garlic, some veggies, press a button, and I'll have perfectly chopped ingredients to start any recipe. It's super easy to change the attachments. I've already washed my bowl, so I'm just gonna take this dough blade out and replace it with the Chop so that we can make our pizza sauce. And now just select puree. Amazing. It smells so good. Okay, now that the pizza bases are done, let's talk about toppings. This is the reversible slicing and shredding disc, and it's the perfect helper. It's super easy to assemble, just like the chopping blade, and we just have to decide which side we want to use. You can see here there's etched in, it says slicer, and then on the other side it's shredder. So shredding would be for shredded cheese or cabbage if you want to make your own coleslaw, and then the slicer would be for things like pepperoni or potatoes if you want to make your own homemade chips or vegetables for a side salad. So I'm just going to lock this into place and then place the disc with the desired function facing up. I've already pre-shredded some cheese, so the only thing left to do is to top our pizzas. Get some pepperoni on there. Oh my gosh, these look incredible. And of course, top it with more cheese. Woohoo! Okay, these guys are ready for the oven. The Ninja Professional food processor also has manual functions, low, high, and pulse. If you're a visual cooker, you can simply select low or high to continuously run at those speeds until the mixture is to your liking. Or for the ultimate control, you can use the pulse button, and that will process for as long or short as your fingers on the button. That's really good for if you just want short spurts to get something a little bit more mix or chopped. Well, this pizza looks like it wants to be eaten, so I'm gonna help it out. Yum! Nothing tastes better than knowing you made everything from scratch all in one appliance. If you want more recipe inspiration or have more questions, visit ninjakitchen.com to find everything you're looking for.